Hi guys, good morning. This was our place to stay in the night. See, and we met very good host over here, like is Brownie and Rosie and Brownie. Rosie Brownie. There is one Leo also. Leo Chi. So yeah, guys, you can see this. This is 40 acres coffee plantation. Very nice place. We loved it. Chikmagalur is one of the best place to stay. So stay tuned. We are going up. We'll make some good videos. Good morning, Harshal. You can see Harshal. अलग एंगल तो वीडियो बनावांगे. Hello. So this is Harshal Reddy. इसको बहुत रहता है उठ के जल्दी जाना. So you can see the ride. We are in interiors of Chikmagalur. This is a forest area, and we are in the height is I think 3,000 feet, yeah, from sea level. And there are quite good places to visit around as temples and one lake. Yesterday we went and couldn't make some videos because the memory was full. So beautiful trails for bike rides. So one can, even this place they organize some bike rides in monsoons, and so you can see some good beautiful houses around. So main source of income is agriculture in this place, and agriculture I mean to say coffee, pepper and some vegetables. You can see the pepper plants over there. So coffee season is September, October, November. That's the season. So there's a coffee board over here which controls the prices. The price index is with the international market of coffee. So if you come in monsoon, it's this forest has become like a dense, full greenery. And when we were studying in Mangalore, we used to come for college trips over here. Once we came, not here, like in Kudramukh, it's nearby 60-70 kilometers from here. So that time it was so called mini Switzerland. Okay, so ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਬਣਾਉਨੇ ਆ. ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ
We are going towards Mulangiri. I don't know if we can see the peak from, but this is a forest. We went through checkpoint. They did not stop bikes, but they were stopping cars and other things. I think you need permission. So we stopped for coffee. One small break before going to the hill.
Yeah, come. So guys, ਅਸੀਂ ਰੁਕੇ ਸੀ ਰਸਤੇ 'ਚ ਤਾਂ ਬੜੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹੱਟ ਦਿਖੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਰੁਕਿਆ. We'll have some good breakfast over here. Good morning. So you can see nice weather. Harshal, what are you gonna have? Huh? Okay. Then what else they have for food? Just check. We can have some idli.
We are going towards Mulangiri. I don't know if we can see the peak from, but this is a forest. We went through checkpoint. They did not stop bikes, but they were stopping cars and other things. I think you need permission. So we stopped for coffee. One small break before going to the hill.
Yeah, come. So guys, ਅਸੀਂ ਰੁਕੇ ਸੀ ਰਸਤੇ 'ਚ ਤਾਂ ਬੜੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹੱਟ ਦਿਖੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਰੁਕਿਆ. We'll have some good breakfast over here. Good morning. So you can see nice weather. Harshal, what are you gonna have? Huh? Okay. Then what else they have for food? Just check. We can have some idli. Hi guys, good morning. So we have reached on top of Mulangiri. The top is there, you can see there. Harshal show. इधर दिखाओ कैमरामैन इधर दिखाइए. ये पीक है. You know, till here you can bring your bikes, but आगे जाने के लिए you need to hire these jeeps, tracks and all. So this is, you can see behind me, nice weather, and this is the right time to visit here. This is Chikmagalur. Okay, so these are the Western Ghats, and the height approximately 5 to 6,000. Yeah, from sea level. So beautiful dense forest you can see behind, and there's a wildlife over here. Like while coming, we have seen some hoardings, boards, and all, and warnings. I think barking, this thing, deers, and one thing. This is Gouda belt. Okay, so pork kurg, pork is very famous here. This kind of wild boar, and rest. The temperature is very good, 23 degree, and what a chill wind is coming here. And you can see this was known like mini Switzerland. You can see the mountains. Harshal, can you zoom it here little? देखिए हमारे पीछे बहुत बड़े बड़े पहाड़ हैं. ये माउंटेन्स है, वादी आपको बुला रही हैं. आप इधर आइए और मज़े कीजिए. तो देखो यार अपना इंडिया कितना सोहना है ना. ब्यूटीफुल इंडिया, एंड वी बिलोंग हियर. It is nobody's land. This is our land. And yesterday me and Harshal was talking. I'm so lucky that I have been graduated from Karnataka, and now my work is also here. Like I have a business here in Bangalore. So God is so kind, So see the adventure. It is in your blood. So we are such adventurous people from Punjab, extreme off-roaders. I thank Sammy, for making such a beautiful group where things will happen. And I must appreciate you guys. Like you should come here as being my fellow riders. We can come here, track, we can do a lot of trails are there, like interiors, the back routes, like what you are doing in Himachal. Still we can explore something, and my next chapters are coming like Coorg, Mangalore, coastal. I'm gonna do camping. So I got a nice companion with me, Harshal Reddy. So he'll be joining me for my further rides, and he's agreed that he'll be staying in the tents and be budget friendly, and but nature से प्यार करिए. Concrete में सोने का क्या मज़ा है जब आकाश देखो आप कितना. Harshal, we are very close to the sky, na? Yeah, and we belong here, and it belongs to us, and either it's Punjab, Karnataka, Maharashtra, whatever it is, India. We must love our country. We should explore more. This is the one peak we have explored where everybody is coming. I think there are other mountains which you can explore. So